Hi Aries, this is your channel messages for the 8th of February. Aries, let us see what is in your messages today. Aries, let's go. We have the Strength card coming out first. So I'm getting you're dealing with a Leo. This could also be performance. I'm getting either it's your performance at work. If you're an athlete, this could be like a time. Maybe there's a weight. You have to be a certain weight. Something about weight class. But I'm getting it's all about your confidence and ego. All right. We have Knight of Swords. Yeah. Something have to change fast. It could be a weight change or a weight gain. I was also hearing this morning something about a weight limit. Okay. I'm not sure if you're asking somebody, what is your requirement of height? What is your requirement of weight? But I'm getting something about your appearance needs to change. Like, no. We have the Seven of Swords. No. Seven of Cups. We have the Six of Pentacles, and we also have the Devil card. Are you going under surgery? I'm getting you're going to a weird, you're going to a Trivago surgeon to get a surgery done on your face. Aries, it could be something about weight loss surgery. I'm getting you here and you're in a daze. Your daze is not, it could be alcohol or intoxications, but me getting a daze is like you're scrolling online or you're watching TV. Like, you know how some people fall under the sleep of alcohol, some people fall under the sleep of buying makeup, doing makeup. Me getting you falling under the, not the sleep, but like the illusion of, hey, fly to this country, do weight loss surgery, do this. But I'm getting Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Like someone is saying, you know, surgeons usually charge this amount for it, but I can give it for a discount. Microsoft celebrated their 20-year anniversary yesterday. You sure somebody have a Microsoft certificate and print up in them houses? What's happening? Me getting the surgeon. I don't know. I feel like somebody never graduate school. That is something you have to go to school for. You can, even though half of the black market door deals that are happening for organ donation, people is random people who know how for the surgery to cut out a kidney and leave in a tub of ice. I say at least God never have that in plan for me. Allegedly. The Devil card. Me getting you're going to get botched surgery. Either your face, your breast, your ass, or you had the weight loss surgery. Something going to come out botch. Aries is the emperor. You're a man. I keep telling the men, yes, we need you to be healthy. We need you to be active. But man don't have appearance. You don't have to meet. There's certain requirements you don't have to meet as a man. I don't know why some of these women are forcing you to do it. He's a man. What kind of, unless you're really like really fat and you can't walk, it's maybe something is pressuring on your knee or on your back, because when you gain a lot of weight your back start hurt you. It could be something like that. I'm getting something about a Leo. Cause I'm getting you're paying Six of Pentacles for the Devil. You pay fast money and you want it done now. Unless you want weight loss and you're using drugs. Now, if you use drugs, usually what's going to happen is you're not going to eat. Your appetite is going to be suppressed or you don't have an appetite to eat. What's the Strength card? The Strength card is the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, 66. I'm getting you're saying, I'll do anything to be beautiful, mold anything, forget the attention. Just, it's okay. I'm getting surgery on your appearance. I'm getting a Leo. See, Six of Pentacles, that's what we had over here. We have 66. You pay the devil for the beauty. This could be, you paid a witch doctor with someone's beauty. I was also seeing pictures of a very famous celebrity. It talks about energy harvesting. If you notice, you used to beautiful, and then something that take your energy. Like, you know, Megan Good energy is being harvested so much. Congratulations. Anyways, right? Yeah, me getting you're with a person and you're pretty after them finish with you after you're with them, you're really, me getting your beauty gets sucked. Yeah, 66. Me getting Aries, you're saying you'll pay anything, you'll do anything for the surgery. What kind of surgery is this though? Is it that drastic? This Knight of Swords is the Seven of Swords. You don't want to talk about the surgery. It could be a face, maybe it's your nose, it could be a sex, something about your reproductive organ. The Seven of Cups is the Four of Cups. 47 to 4. You're in ideas. What is, me getting something about, I don't know. No, this could be you stop drinking alcohol and you swell. Because when you drink alcohol, alcohol will make you skinny. If you drink alcohol, if you indulge some alcohol, some of them will swell you because it fermented. Other alcohol, it will make you skinny. Me getting, if you stop drink alcohol, you're gonna notice you're gonna start to have fat face. Like your face like a round, or your body you're gonna swell up, your breasts them are gonna get bigger. Me getting, you usually is a person who show your belly ring and these things. Me getting, now you all of a sudden you just feel fat. Me getting is because you stop drinking the alcohol. It not filter through your kidneys anymore. The Six of Pentacles is the Chariot. Yeah. What is this? Me getting, it's like me getting a person who is not your race is paying surgery to look exactly like you. We have two duplications of two, black and white. The Chariot is a Cancer, something about a Cancer. Could be a police officer, could be somebody in the military. I'm not sure. The Devil card is clarified by the King of, I'm getting it's a Cancer. It's a Cancer, something about witch surgery. So if you ever see somebody, I'm not gonna talk about it, no. Let me not talk about it. But me getting, you see somebody and all of a sudden them skinny. It could be drugs, it could be cigarettes, or it could be alcohol. And when we say drugs, it don't have to be crack or cocaine. Remember, certain terpenes in cannabis will suppress your appetite, while certain terpenes in cannabis will make you fat. It will increase appetite. That's why some people have munchies after them smoking, and then some people after them smoke them not eating. It depends on the terpenes that you're smoking. It produces different psychoactive. Thank you so much, Anthony Miller. Psychoactive. It produces certain type of psychoactive chemicals that either will increase appetite. For example, the doctor would have given you multivitamin B complex. B complex is very good for opening appetite. Okay, said that you don't want to put pharmaceutical B complex capsules in your body. We would have the witch doctor that you try to use to mess up somebody's beauty, or the man who you send to have sex with this girl and energy harvest her vagina juices. And we are asking the public. I have another thing to ask the public. We are asking the public, Jesus, I had the girl in my head and I can't remember the girl now. No, we don't have to ask the public anything in it. What was this girl? I never write it down. I should have written it. Did I write it down? I should have written it down. I saw it and I said to myself, how could she? I don't remember the girl name. Okay, moving on to another thing, right? Yeah, me getting something about, all right, okay, so that the witch doctor, yeah, the witch doctor where you send for mess up somebody's beauty, me getting something about the other witch doctor, maybe them you, I don't know what happening. Me getting you said to the devil, or you said to one surgeon, will do anything for it. 66, you pay for it. If the doctor did give you a B complex or multivitamin, or say they gave you anything for stimulate appetite, the witch doctor would have write down the therapy in cannabis and send it to the cannabis store to buy it, and tell you to smoke 0.5 one a day, and that would have increased appetite. That's the so-called alternative medicinal side. And then the pharmaceutical side would be when you go into the pharmacy and you buy your drugs. Let us see what else we can get for you. We have a Leo. Yes, somebody is a Leo. Are you a Leo? I'm getting a Leo. It could be a Leo Cancer. If it's a Leo Cancer, usually Cancers are very homey. Them either really skinny because them don't eat, them always focus on work, or them really I don't know what you call fat. What is fat? Because what is fat? 275 isn't fat. What is fat? Oh, height. You have to think about height. Body mass index. Sir, if you feel like you're overweight, go on Google and type in body mass index calculator. Put in your height and put in your weight. And if it say you're okay, you see if the body mass index meter say you're all right, it no matter what you're looking in the mirror and the mirror is telling you. Maybe you were skinny one time and you gain weight and people are like, oh, you know, oh, someone's overeating. Them just never say how you look with a couple pounds on. We have a Leo. Something about a Leo. Or again, maybe you see a Leo that you haven't seen in a long time and them skinny. Yeah, see, that's drugs. I learned that the hard way. We have Libra. So we have Leo and Libra. Them skinny. Yeah, and usually are drugs. High drugs. Venus, that's love. We have Scorpio. So water signs, them body, either them skinny, but them out. I don't know, there's something about the midsection. Maybe there's something about the midsection you feel bad about. We have 4 and 3, 43, 34. Or we have number 7. Today's the 7th. So yeah, Leo, it could be Leo 7, Scorpio 7, Libra 7. Or you could be a Scorpio, Leo, or Libra, and you're born on the 4th or 3rd. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.